about the end of the world. I'm thinking about you. The shadow is hid in the past. What enters my love? How can I forget? In sorrow now since we fell apart, a million miles away. I disrespect myself and the world just because I lost your loved ones now. Alright, the lagunya, let's go!